multiplying polynomials. When you multiply polynomials, the coefficients will be multiplied, and the exponents are added. So let's do an example. We have 2 multiplied by 3x squared plus 2x. So now we have some brackets or parentheses there. So the 2 is going to have to work its way through the parentheses. So 2 times 3x squared and 2 times 2x. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6x squared. 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. Let's try another one. We have 2x now times 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. So now it's not just the 2 you're working through the brackets, it's the x as well. So we're going to be adding those exponents. Remember, if there's not an exponent there, there's always an imaginary one. So 2x times 2x squared will give you 4x cubed. 2x times a negative 3x is going to give you negative 6x squared. And then we're going to go 2x times 2 is going to give you a positive 4x. We can also use a chart for multiplying This is useful when we are multiplying more than a monomial. So for example, let's go ahead and write this one down. 2x squared plus 2. We're going to multiply that by 3x plus 2x. Alright? So we can go ahead and set up a chart. Take the first polynomial and write it along the top, 2x squared plus 2. Then take the second polynomial and write it along the side, 3x plus 2x. Make a chart, and then we're just going to play mix and match. So 2x squared times 3x is going to give you 6x cubed. Next we have 6x and 4x cubed plus 4x. Now once we've filled in the chart, now we're going to write out the polynomials that are left over. So our final answer would look like this. 6x squared plus 4x squared, or sorry, 6x cubed plus 4x cubed plus 6x plus 4x. We should be able to combine it a little bit further. Do you see any like terms that we can combine? Okay, so when we combine them, we get 10x cubed plus 10x. That's our final answer. So 2x cubed minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2x. So go ahead and see if you can set up your chart. Your chart should look like this. 2x cubed minus 3x plus 2 along the top, and then along the side is 3 and 2x. You can switch up the top and the side, it doesn't matter. So when you fill in the chart, it should look like 6x cubed, 4x4, negative 9x, negative 6x squared, 6 and 4x. So now we're going to write it out so that it all looks the same. I'm not sure what's going on here. So your formula, your final answer would look like this. 6x cubed plus 4x to the 4 minus 9x minus 6x squared plus 6 plus 4x. So now we're going to go ahead and combine all of our like terms. So go ahead and combine them. Okay, 6x cubed. I cross them out as I go along because it makes more sane for me. 4x, and then we have a negative 9x and a positive 4x, which is going to leave us with the minus 5x, minus 6x squared, and then plus 6.